video, I'm going to cover some tips and techniques on how to install our TimberTech AZEK boards using Cortex Hidden Fasteners. I'll go over the benefits of Cortex for TimberTech AZEK, the tools you need, and installation best practices, including things to watch out for during installation. Let's begin with the benefits of Cortex. Coiled Cortex is engineered for speed, with no pre-drilling required. Plus, the plugs are made from our deck boards with a pre-aligned grain pattern, so it's a perfect match every time. To get started, here's a list of the tools you'll need. A drill, Cortex Hidden Fasteners, with plugs, a hammer, and a setting tool with T-tap drive recess for wobble-free installation. Installation is easy. First, set the screw on the board above the joists. Drive into the board until the setting tool releases the screw. Holding the coiled plugs perpendicular to the board, set the plug in the hole, making sure the grain is aligned. Then, hammer the plug into the hole. It's that easy for a fastener-free surface. Can you find the plugs? With Cortex Hidden Fasteners for TimberTech AZEK Decking, your customer's new deck will look beautiful for years to come. For more information on installing TimberTech AZEK Decking, you can find our full installation guide online.